Buongiorno dalla Svizzera. Ooh, almost tripped or fell off the balcony. We're still in Lugano. There's a view. Very nice, very nice. About to get the luggage. I'm trying to convince them to let me go for a swim here. If not, I guess it's not the end of the world to swim in Lago di Como. But I'm gonna head out now. Either see you on the train or I'll see you in Lago di Como. Ciao. Right this second necessarily, but what a start to the first few hours in Lago di Como. Something's going down over there. Is there a plane? But Lago di Como, maybe find dinner. I don't know if you're gonna want to walk around. I will, but arrivederci. Ciao. Buonasera dalla Palizio Lago di Como, Italia. It's like 4 a.m. right now. This happened like 20 minutes ago, like 3:40 a.m. Woke up, the fire alarm was blaring in our room, everyone else's rooms as well. Now everyone's outside in the lobby. There's thunder going on behind me too. 4 a.m. here at the Palizio, the Palace Hotel. I'm saying it's a false alarm. No one's really sure yet though, so can't go back in the room yet. Very fun, very nice. Got like 3 hours of sleep. Not even 2.5. So I'm gonna go back inside now, yeah. But ciao, arrivederci. Ciao. It is raining now. Lightning and rain. Flip the camera, yeah. We're in Verona, Italy, Como. Weather's not been on our side on this portion, this final leg of the trip, but did get a nice little fettuccine, no, fusilli pesto. Take a picture here. Just gonna walk around, deal with the rain, I guess. Go back to Bellagio, then ferry back to Como. And that's it. Ciao. Ciao dalla Bellagio, come Lago di Como, Italia. Walking up some stairs right now. Just walking around. Parents are in the best mood, so getting away from them for a bit. But I have a 7 p.m. ferry back. So like 2 hours. Walk around. What can I do? Have some dinner. And then go back to Como. Ciao. Ciao dalla San Maurizio, Italia. Bonate. Bonate. Italiano non buono. We are walking down the mountain. Bonate. Dalla Bonate. Then go to Tremeso. Somewhere else. Do not know. Tremeso. And that is it for today. Mi chiamo, this is my friend from Turkey, Izmir. Izmir, Turkey.
Ciao.
Ciao.
Hello.
We returned down mountain through Bonate. And that is the day. Arrivederci. Ciao. Just left the little party I showed you. Come back to the room and call it a night. Fly the drone, come out tomorrow. Get a sandwich at that passion place. Up on the train to Milano Centrale, Stazione Centrale. See. Spend the day in Milano. We stay at an airport hotel tomorrow night and fly home the next morning. Ciao, arrivederci. Buonanotte. Buonasera dalla Como Lombardia, Italia, Lago di Como. Parents are in the lobby now. Gotta check out of the hotel in 10 minutes. Take a taxi to San Giovanni, train station. And go to Centrale, Milano Centrale. Yeah. So, heading out now. Unfortunately, every other day we were here is raining, so wasn't able to fly the drone. And now, didn't wake up early enough to fly this morning in this beautiful weather. So, no drone footage from Como, but did get some drone footage in Bellagio. I don't know, it's all the reason to come back here, you know? And the party last night was pretty fun. Wasn't too crazy, but it was fun. We'll send off before I head to Milano right now. Have a train like 40 minutes, 15 minutes. Grab the bags, go down, go to Milano, walk around for the day. Then later tonight we stay at the airport hotel and fly home tomorrow. Then we're back to the regular vlog schedule. No more traveling till late October, likely. Turks and Caicos, and then do my first solo trip. And leave like 4 days after I get back from Turks. But yeah, when we get back from Italia, it's gonna be work. Put a plan together. Maybe I'll make a short little talking point video, just breaking down what my plan is right now, right? Of course it could change, but I'll do that when I get home, or in Milano, or something. Ciao Como Lombardi. Arrivederci. Ciao. Ciao dalla Milano, Italia. Is Vittorio Emanuele, Garria Vittorio Emanuele II.
Where's your sandwich shop?
Walking around, see. Walk around for a few hours and go to the airport, Ciao. Buonasera dalla Malpensa, Italia. Lights are off. They already left the room. I don't have a key to turn the lights on. Bus leaves in 10 minutes. Good morning. To Malpensa airporto. Drinking water, cheers. get in the plane, fly to Boston. That is the end of this trip, and we work our tails off. Alright, ciao, Italia, arrivederci. But that is the end of the trip. I'm probably just gonna end the vlog here. I don't even know what video this is. If we're 2 vlogs in, 3 vlogs in, 4, I have no freaking clue. But I'm gonna end whatever this one is here. Ciao. Auf Wiedersehen. Arrivederci. Tschüss. Au revoir. Au revoir. Au revoir. Salut. Forget the Dutch. Whatever. Other than that, end the video here. Hope you enjoyed. Ciao.